Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell.
In the heart of Scotland, the journey of a world-class whiskey begins.
This is the story behind Chivas Regal 18.
Hi there. Today, I'm taking you inside the very distillery where I'm made. Let's go.
Welcome inside. This is where my journey begins. From simple ingredients to a world-class whiskey. Every great Scotch starts with pure, natural water. Only the finest barley is carefully selected.
The barley is soaked to begin the malting process.
The malt is then dried to stop the growth.
Germination activates natural enzymes inside the grain. Next, the dried malt is ground into a coarse flour called grist.
The grist is mixed with hot water in a mash tun.
This releases natural sugars, creating a sweet liquid called wort.
The wort is transferred into fermentation tanks.
Special yeast is added to start fermentation.
The yeast converts sugar into alcohol.
After 2 to 3 days, the liquid becomes known as wash.
Wash is moved into traditional copper pot stills. The first distillation separates alcohol from impurities. A second distillation refines the spirit further. The spirit is filled into oak casks for aging.
The wood adds color, aroma, and depth.
Chivas Regal 18 matures for at least 18 years.
Each year, some whiskey evaporates naturally.
This loss is known as the angel's share.
Many different whiskeys are aged separately. Many different whiskeys are aged separately.
Many come from Scotland's famous Speyside region.
Each batch undergoes strict quality control.
The blend is rested to allow flavors to marry.
The whiskey is gently filtered.
Alcohol strength is adjusted to perfection.
The finished whiskey moves to the bottling line.
Each bottle is filled with precise accuracy.
Signature labels are carefully applied.
Every bottle passes a final inspection.
Bottles are packaged for global distribution.
From Scotland, they travel around the world.
Chivas Regal 18 represents time and craftsmanship. Each pour reflects 18 years of patience.
From the highlands to your glass.
Chivas Regal 18 is more than whiskey. It is a story of time and mastery.
A tradition crafted over 18 years.
Chivas Regal 18. Success is a blend.
Dozens of spirits are combined with precision.
The goal is perfect balance and complexity. After years of aging, the blending begins.
The master blender carefully evaluates each whiskey.
Chivas 18 reveals layers of rich flavor.
Thank you for watching this factory tour.
Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.